Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Yulu app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Yulu is an electric bike and scooter sharing platform designed to offer eco-friendly and affordable short-distance transportation in urban areas. The app allows users to locate nearby Yulu vehicles, unlock them via QR code, and pay through integrated digital wallets. It also provides real-time tracking, battery status, and estimated travel cost before booking. In terms of performance, users often appreciate the convenience of finding Yulu bikes in busy city zones and the ease of use in the app's booking process. The ride experience is generally smooth, with vehicles suited for short commutes, last-mile connectivity, and reducing traffic congestion. Many also value the cost savings compared to ride-hailing services and the environmental benefits of zero-emission travel. However, there are a few drawbacks. Availability can be inconsistent during peak hours or in less populated areas. Some users report technical glitches like QR scan errors or delayed vehicle unlocking. Pricing can feel high for longer rides, and battery charge levels aren't always optimal. Also, the service is currently limited to select cities, restricting nationwide usability. In summary, the Yulu app may be worth it if you're looking for an affordable, eco-friendly, and convenient option for short-distance urban travel. It's especially helpful for last-mile connectivity and reducing carbon footprint. However, if you need reliable availability at all times or plan frequent long rides, the service's limitations might be a concern. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.